Hello my friends, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be doing some work on komorebi, the tiling window manager for Windows, which is written in the Rust programming language. Today's video is a continuation of our komorebi status bar mini-series. In this mini-series, we are building our very own status bar for komorebi in pure Rust, using the egui and E-frame frameworks. So in the last video we did some performance optimizations, we brought down our CPU usage, and in this episode I wanted to add two new widgets which I believe are outstanding, I guess. They're kind of like table stakes widgets that I think we need before the initial release of the bar. So those two widgets are going to be a simple network widget and a battery widget, which will be particularly useful for the people who will be running this on a laptop, because it is very important to know how much battery you have left. We have two crates that I wanted to use. So this one is Starship Battery. I saw that Lars used this in Z-Bar. Figured I'd check it out to make a battery widget. So we're gonna make a widget from scratch. We'll make a new Rust file, battery.rs. We'll add that. And you know what? Let's use storage as our template. So storage, this is gonna be battery. Change that to battery everywhere, hopefully. And we can add here Starship Battery. Cool. So did we add this here? Yes we did. We added it to the mod. Great. So now our config is going to be enable on off, and then here I guess instead of disks we're going to have a manager, which is a Starship Battery manager. And I don't actually know the API for this, I'm just kind of making it up as I go along. New unwrap, yeah. Let's do that. And so now we have this code. So wait, let me see, how do I use this first? How do I use this? So for battery and manager new batteries, what is an iterator that yields batteries? It returns this, which is battery device. I think I might need to see what Z-Bar did with this. Let's see, packages, client API, no, that's not the one. I think it's the desktop, yeah. Providers, battery. Let's see, what is Lars doing with this? Get battery. Alright, so manager, batteries, we get the first one, unwrap or none, no battery found, and then I think these are the two that I think it's only this that we're interested in. I only really want to show the charge percentage. So I'm just going to yoink that and put it here as a comment. So we have the manager here, we have the last updated, maybe we can have a last state as well, which can be a vector string, which is going to be our output to satisfy the bar widget trait, which is, it just requires a function output which returns a vector string. So if it is time to update, so we're going to do let outputs vec, we'll make that mutable. And so we're going to do self.manager. Oh, refreshes in place. Okay, so we don't actually need that, do we? Oh, but I see. Okay, so we're gonna make some assumptions. We're gonna assume that we only have one battery. So instead of manager here, we're gonna have battery of type battery, right? Oh, wrong battery. Starship battery. Yep. We don't need last state. And when we initialize this, we're going to do manager new. This has to be an option because, for example, okay. I need to think about this. It's not going to be as simple as I thought. So, okay, so let's say we go with the manager, right? And we do self.manager.batteries. I don't want to unwrap. If let sum battery equals, if let sum batteries returns a result. So if let OK batteries, if let sum first equals batteries dot, oh, there's no first. Batteries dot n, the 0th. So if let sum OK first, and then batteries needs to be mutable. So if we we get here first state of charge dot get percent, is that right? No, that is not right. Like this? Yeah. Let percent equals v. Not really sure what I'm doing here. And then what do you do with a percentage? What is that even? Okay, well we have a percent. Can we do percent to string? Okay, we can do a percent to string, so we'll do outputs.push percent to string, and we have a last updated of now. Okay, so we need to do this whole dance when we initialize. So let manager equals manager new unwrap. Here we're going to do manager, and here we're going to do self. No. We're going to have a last state. Last state is going to be a vec we're gonna push that, and we're gonna add our last state here, and then our manager is gonna be the one that we initialized. Cool, cool, cool. So here we're going to do outputs dot clear. We're going to set this to self dot last state dot clone. Oh, clone. Okay, so let's think this through. When output gets called, we will assume that we are going to use the last state that we have. Then, if it has been more than 10 seconds since the last state was updated, then we update that last state. Self.last state equals outputs dot clone. Yeah. And we set last updated, and then we just return outputs. I think we can probably do a format string here. Something like this. Yeah. Perfect. I won't be able to test this because I don't have a battery. But that's good. That's good. Okay, what next? We need to plumb this through to the config. So we're gonna have battery. Battery config. Wait a second. That can go. So last state will be empty. So if we have no batteries, last state will be empty. And if more than 10 seconds has passed. Okay, yeah. That makes sense. So if there is no battery connected, we will never have anything populated. Okay. Then here we need to add our battery config. Then we go down a little further here. We have our battery. When we init, we do battery from the battery config. Oh, that's good. It's good. So we want this to be... We want this to be before time. If self.battery.enable for battery and self.battery output. I don't know that this is actually gonna do anything when we click it. Maybe open up the battery settings in the future, but we don't need that right now. Battery, and we can use the battery emoji. Well, if it pastes into the right place, we can use the battery emoji. Oh, I see. So we want something else here. We want different. We want to have a battery state, right? We want to have a battery state. So pub enum battery state charging. Is it charging? But I mean, well, something like this. All right, something like this. So we'll do state, battery state, and I'm assuming there's something here that is going to tell us what that is first. State, match first state, charging, discharging, empty, full. So I think we only care about charging and discharging. I guess we'll have this be discharging as well. Otherwise we do nothing. We need to set this when we also initialize. Let mute state none some, and then we can have this be state unwrap or battery state discharging. Okay, so now let emoji equals match self dot battery dot state, and here we can have battery state charging and battery state discharging. Gonna make that public. Come on, don't be so slow. Are we good? Are we good? Cool. And so this is gonna be... No, this is gonna be the lightning emoji, and this is gonna be the battery emoji, and here we'll do emoji battery. Excuse me? What are you talking about? Let bindings cannot shadow tuple variants. Wow. Isn't this fun? Alright, let's get this up here, I guess, that I can actually see what it's talking about. I'm guessing it's unhappy with something here. Units percent. That's the wrong percent then. Try that. Okay, that does not implement pumped display. That's an F32. So, Lars, what did you do? F32. Rust how to display F32. Why not toString? Oh, it has a toString. What? Why? Excuse me? Is it not automatically calling to string? Percent to string. Oh, because this happens in two places. Okay. This happens in two places. Oh, wait. I'm a little lost. Expected F32 found percent. Percent cannot be... Excuse me, what the frick are you talking about? So here we're talking about 21. We get this as percent. Cool. Format. Is it this? It would help if I was not missing. I am completely missing something here. What the hell is going on? So that's an F32. Ratio percent. Battery state of charge. Expected F32 found percent. So then why is this working? Units, ratio, percent. I am so confused. What the hell? So maybe we get rid of this. Percent expected F32. Percent. What the hell is this macro? Oh my goodness. Did I just import the wrong goddamn thing? Okay, I don't see why it works here and then it doesn't work anywhere else. So if I do this, yeah, and if I do this, does that compile? That works, and that works. Let's send. Yo, what the hell? Look at the simple one. Oh. Nope. One shot? Nope. Very annoying. Very, very annoying. Why are you like this? Why is this stupid API like this? Can you not just... Do we have percent here? Nope. Is it something to do with the variable name? Oh my god. How is... That's so weird. So if this is called percent, right? It will fail to compile because somehow percent needs to be F32, but if I call this percentage, or anything else basically, it will compile. Bro, that's insane. Why are you like this? Sometimes just why are you like this? Oh my god. That's 10 minutes of my life I'm not getting back. Has anyone seen this before? That's really weird. Rust variable percent F32. Rust variable name. Alright, I'm gonna ask on the Rust subreddit about this. I'm gonna ask on Mastodon as well, because I have never seen anything like this. I have never seen anything like this. That's so weird. Anyway, we have the battery. We have the battery charging, discharging. Yeah, great. I don't want to think about the stupid battery anymore. Next up, I want to look at netdev. So we have get default interface is going to give us an interface. And I guess we'll just show the friendly name. Yeah. So battery, we can just make this into network. we'll attach this here. You know, let's work on this first. So for this, we want to add netdev, and then need to see what we actually want to put on here. I don't want this to be pub crate. Not even on the battery. I don't like pub crate. I don't know why. I prefer the simplicity of pub and not pub. Alright, so we don't need that. But last updated. We do want... So, we don't want a manager, we don't want this. We do want netdev get default interface if flat okay interface equals that. Cool. So we'll get the friendly name. If that's some friendly name, we can push last state push friendly name phone. Yeah, that looks good. We don't need a manager on here. Nice, nice, nice. And now here we just want to do this one again. Outputs push. And then we can get rid of these unused. Nice, nice, nice. So we add network here, network config. We add that here too. Then we add it here. And we will construct it. We'll construct it from the config. Come on. Network from config.net. So that, I guess, I want it to come between... Wait, how does Mac OS do this? What does the Mac OS status bar look like? So it comes after search. So I guess I'll put it after the date. So we did the battery here. Then we did time, then we did date. Oh, I need to add the spacing here. Oh, the space is not there, no. If self.battery enable. And if self battery output and and if battery output is not empty, so we don't want to be adding the space unnecessarily. Yeah, and I think we want pretty much the same thing here as well. So yeah. So if self.network enable let network output equals self.network output, we'll change that. And then if this is clicked, we want to open an NCPA. So here the emoji will be a static one. Let's just say Wi-Fi. Okay, let's see how this looks. Looks like it's gonna compile. And let's let it build. Okay. So I don't expect to see anything for battery. They don't have a battery. Well, I guess I have a PSU. That doesn't count as a battery, does it? But I don't think it should pick up the power supply unit as a battery. We will see. And I expect to see Wi-Fi, I guess. Sweet, yeah. I got my Wi-Fi, I guess that's the friendly name, and it would be Ethernet if I were connected through Ethernet. Got my network connections, very nice. Yeah, this is coming along. This is coming along very nicely. Let's just take a little look-see at this with a release build. Of course, we want to make sure that we are not increasing CPU usage with these changes. I feel like battery shouldn't do anything because that should fail out. Let's see. I guess we can probably also update this to version 31. Don't think there are any breaking changes. Sysinfo is usually pretty good about not introducing breaking changes. Come on, almost there. Almost there. Interface name. Oh, that's nice. We could... wait, where was that? Sysinfo. In network, we could also show bytes up and down. Damn, maybe we should make that a part of this. Let's just call this show data for now. From network config. Show data. Here we're gonna do show data is value show data. And let's go to sysinfo. What are you using for network? Networks new with refresh list. Sysinfo networks. Oh, I can just do this. And this is gonna be networks new with refreshed list. And I guess we need to match this up, right? How do we match this up? So we got to iterate this for network and self.networks. Network. Oh, this is interface name and data, right? Why are you not working? 53. Oh, I need to take a reference. Okay. If interface name equals interface name, outputs dot push format. We want to format it like this, right? Downloaded and uploaded, and here data dot total receive, data dot total transmitted. We need to update this, show data true. Before we do that, real quick, let's take a look. CPU usage still low, memory usage still around 45. Yep, that's fine. Show data. Okay, so now we need to go to the rendering code. So if battery enable, so let's see. Let place a match battery output length. Length is 1, or if length is 3, we're going to do different things. Move that up here. if it is just this, then we are going to battery output 0, the 0th element. And that's fine because we checked the length there. And so this is all done by matching on the length, so it should be safe enough. Safe enough. Right. And then wait a minute. Why am I looking at battery? I mean to look at network. So this would be a second one. Okay, so the length is either 1 or 2. And this is gonna be battery output 1. Battery output. Wait, why did I do this on the battery output? Oh god, okay, let's that was silly. I don't know how I got so turned around. Yeah, this is where I want to be. This is where I want to be. We're doing something like this. Network output. Network. And then if it's anything else, don't do anything. This emoji here is gonna be Wi-Fi. And then this here is going to be if self show data. Right? We only do that if show data is set to true. So this then. Okay, so we need this. In both cases, let network UI can't do it. Okay, well I have to do it like this. I don't mind duplicating that a little bit. Then we can yoink this out of there. Good enough for now. Alright, let's see if that compiles and does the thing. Let's see if that compiles and does the thing. Just double checking my work. Oh, I need to do the same thing here. Sorry, compilation. I need to do the same thing the first time. Just move that around a little. try that again. And so, I mean, we still got this set updating every 10 seconds. Probably gonna want to make this configurable going forward. To be seen, to be determined. I guess. I just want to debug these two. I'll debug them if they're not like, if they're not matching up, I'll debug them. Huh? Something like this. Ooh. I think that's the one. Oh, come on. I didn't think it was gonna take in my latest changes in the same build. Okay, so what do we have here? Interface name, Wi-Fi, friendly name. What? Oh yeah, okay, so we do need to match on the friendly name. Do that here as well. Oh no. If friendly name equals interface name. There we go. Hopefully this is the one. Oh snap, look at that, all those bytes up and down. I guess we want to translate this to megabytes? I don't even know. Rust bytes to megabytes. I don't even know how to do this. Human bytes, like the sound of that. Let's try it. Where are the dots? Where are the dots? There needs to be F64. Was this only 2 kilobytes? I'm not sure. Rust. Convert bytes to megabytes. How do I do this? Literally all I want to do. Pretty bytes? Is this the thing? I don't know, like, surely it's just like a multiplication thing. Bytes, megabytes is bytes divided by 124 divided by 124. Alright, let's just freaking do that. That's good enough for me. Will this give an F value? Oh, what the? Did this not save? Oh, I need to do this on the other one as well. This is going to get annoying real fast. This is gonna get annoying real fast. And this needs to be megabytes, but yeah, basically, I think it's good. Cool, we got this much up, this much down. And if we disable it, I don't know how often this needs to update, but I guess it will update. I'm not really doing anything right now, so 58 minutes. I think it is about time that we wrap on up, but we're getting there. We are getting there. Now we have a widget for network stuff, we have a widget for battery stuff. Hopefully somebody will test that out for me because I can't get it to show. I think we did good. I think we did pretty good today, folks. Let's wrap this on up by saying a very special thank you to all of the sponsors of this project. Starting from David, thank you so much. Thomas, Chris, are you new? Maybe not. Even if you're not, welcome. Timothy, private sponsor 1, Azine, James, Pavel, Felipe, private sponsor number 2, Johan. I think Johan is new. Welcome, Johan. Cody, Nir, Harold, Andy, PJHFGGIJ, Hyro, DM1681, Darian, Kwong, Surefire, Solomon, private sponsor number 3, Kilroy, my boy, Evan, Quilt, Alex, and Hisayuki. Thank you so much, my friends. Your support is always appreciated. If you too would like to become a sponsor, head on over to the sponsor page. You can be a one-time sponsor, you can be a monthly sponsor. $5 a month is very much appreciated, but also this is like configurable. Any monthly contribution is also deeply appreciated. If, however, you are not in a position to become a sponsor, just make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel. We are a fully monetized YouTube channel, which means that all of your interactions, all of the minutes you spend watching, skipping ads, liking, commenting, all of the stuff, it adds up to ad revenue for the channel, which means it is a very, very simple and passive way for you to financially contribute to the future of this project. Alright, my friends, that is it for today. I hope that whatever you all do today, you have a great, great day. Free Palestine, and I'll see you all back here next time.